Hi everyone, I'm Cody, W3AMG with BridgeCom Systems, and today we're going to show you how to disable the end call prompt that will show up in your radio. This can be super annoying sometimes, and it's very simple to turn off. So let's get started. First, you'll want to plug your radio into your computer. So take your programming cable, plug it in your computer, and then plug it into your AnyTone on the side. After that, make sure your radio is switched on. Over here on the computer, we'll go ahead and open up the programming software for our radio. At this time, it's always a good idea to read from your radio. So go ahead and read from your radio first. Today, we've already done that, so it's not a big deal. After that, you'll want to go to the optional settings. Once you're here, you will go to display. And right down here where it says call end prompt box, this is turned off. Now I've already turned this off. Normally this is going to be on and you'll get that message. So if you want to disable that, just go here and turn this prompt to off and you will no longer have that happen. So at this point, just click OK and then go ahead and click the write to radio button. OK, and write the other data and you are all set.